gonna curl our hair. Let's go!
Now, whose turn is it?
Me!
Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins, she will go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, pare-pareho again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rayne Mayne won. Okay, she'll go first and then after it's you, okay? Alright. So this will be our first time to use this one and we will curl their hair. So this is how it looks like inside the box. So it has this comb and then there are 2 clips
What's the clips for?
for the hair. These are 2 clips.
And this.
And then this is the curling iron.
And the instruction.
Instruction manual.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's just an instruction on how to use it. So let's try it.
Okay. What's this to eat?
Huh?
It just feels weird, but it's not tickly or something. I don't know. Let's try it.
Where's your hairbrush?
Here's my hairbrush. I'm gonna use the pink comb. Ow! The hair's smooth. So what are you doing right now?
I am parting her hair.
Was I making my hair? Girl, but she's trying to flip it. Can you see anything?
So there's an on button. Turn it on, and then this is the direction if the curl is going right or left.
Can you see anything?
So this is how it works. The hair will go around this barrel, and then if you would like to have the curl going to the right, just turn this button, and then on the left.
You know what, guys? When I'm trying to curl my hair, I will tie it first, curl it with my pencil. That's how I do it. Can I see the curls?
I still need to practice because this is the first time that we're using it.
How do you do that? What do you do it? I'm pressing. Is that a blender? It looks like a blender. I make it too much. That's for kids and nothing.
Wow! Look at this. Later, you see. Turn around, Rayne.
Wow, that's a good curl.
It's a nice curl, right? Oh, nice. Ouch!
Oh no! Ouch!
Is it hot?
Yes, of course. Move, Rayne. Don't look around.
Wow. Really hot. Is it smooth? The white thingy on top?
Yes, don't touch.
Why? Is it hot?
This one is so simple. It's so easy to use.
Okay, mommy already knows.
Amazing.
I get.
easy to use. And it's fast curling, see?
Oh, gosh.
A few moments later.
So this is how it looks like. It's not perfect because this is the first time I used it. But it's going to be like a beach wave. So if you do it like this, it's going to be a beach wave. Let me see,
The
Rayne.
curls will go away.
Wow.
The curls will go away.
It's not. Come here, stand up.
If you sleep with that, it's not gonna get up.
See, it's nice.
Let's go.
Frozen?
I'll show you. I'll show him. Yeah. My turn.
It's Ate's turn.
Look at guys, it's so pretty. Look at my
Not too
hand.
close, Rick. It's not that they're not gonna see it.
Why?
They're not gonna see it.
Is that it secret?
They cannot see it if you're too close on the camera.
Guys, look at my hair. I did not close. Is my hair is good, huh?
Don't mo mapasok.
A few moments later.
So nice, girls. Let me see. Stand here. Let me see. Your hair is shorter. It's nice. Go.
Hi guys!
So this is how their hair looks like after curling. How do you feel? You like your curly hair?
Yeah.
Do you like your curly hair, Rayne? Huh? Yes? How about you?
Yes.
Yes? Let me see. Turn around. Wow. How about you, Rayne? Let me see. Wow. Okay. You like it?
Yeah!
Wow. Alright, we like our new curler. We will just put the link down below where you can buy it. We hope that you like this video. Don't forget to
Subscribe!